Hi, it's Reese again. So I got my flotrol in the mail today. Yippee! So I mixed up all my paints. All of my paints. And for my first thing I want to do is I want to do bottle. I ran out of bottles. So I mixed up all of the light blue and whatever this is. Ocean breeze, light blue, and turquoise in this cup. I don't know if you can see it that well, but because I ran out of squeeze bottles. Oh, and white. So, can you see it? Are we filming? Is everything copacetic? I think so. Okay, here we go. Let me get a libation. Cheers. So, I'm going to start with this one. Or should I start with the white? Everybody always starts with the white. This is my first one. He running kind of thick, ain't he? Let's go around the bottom. Alright, like that. So he'll flow right. I think. What the heck was that on my canvas? It's gonna irk me. Something. There we go. Get him off. Okay, so this one's really runny. There we go. Alright. Ooh, went a little overboard with that, huh? Let's see. Let's see. We're gonna work it out, y'all. Alright, that's some red. Alright. Ooh. You know I like a good metallic. Okay. Went overboard with that turquoise. I wouldn't have went overboard if I had it in a squeeze bottle. Ooh, this one's really pouring out. This one, maybe he needs another shaking. Oh. Alright, there we go. Let's see. Okay. A little black. Why not? Alright. Okay. It's gonna go over the edge. Yeah. I think it is. I like this gold, guys. Look at this gold. It's not 14K gold. That's what I wanted, but it's some off-the-wall gold. I didn't really want that. So, no, I'm not doing that green no more. I'm gonna put a little white, though. That green went everywhere. Hope it's draining off the sides. Oh. I want it to go back this way. Because it's draining off the sides. Alright. Alright. Oh, look at there. I made a flower. Oh, right. Let's see. Oh, I want to put a glove on. Hold on, y'all. I've got to put a glove on. Oh, so let's see. All right. Okay. Oh, look at that. I did it. Even though it's falling off the sides. So, I'm going to put some gold in here. Alright. And then a little black in the middle. And some red. Like that. And then I'm going to take this thing here and I'm going to come out the dang thing. Like that. Like that. Oh, I drifted. Like that. Alright, let me do it a little longer. Let's do it longer. Like that. Let's see. Alright. Okay, now get the bottles out the way so we can see if we don't lose it and just jiggle it a little. Oh, I need another glove. I'm just gonna jiggle it. I don't want to lose it. I want to jiggle it. Maybe I'll flame it up a little bit first. Okay, let's flame it up a little bit. Get all the bubbles out. All right, let's do that. All right. Huh? All right. Now let's jiggle it a little. Just a little. Oh, got some cells going. I didn't plan on that. I want to jiggle it just a little. Jiggle it just a little. Jiggle it. Go on back in the center. Go on. All right. Jiggle it a little. The whole shape. Crap. Oh well. Well, for my first one, that was an epic fail. Lost my whole shape. I should have flooded the canvas with white first. Then somebody say do that before. It ain't bad looking. It ain't what I wanted, but seems like I'll never get exactly what I wanted. But it's cute. So next time, put some paint on the canvas first. And that way it keep its shape, hopefully. I'm not happy. It's not bad. It's abstract as hell, but hey. What do you think?
I like it. Like, I liked it at first. I was like this when I walked downstairs.
Well, it don't look like that now, do it? The colors are cool, though.
Yeah.
Let me wipe my hands off. And,
right there.
Oh, thank you. Well, I didn't have no paint on the canvas, so I guess next time I will put some paint on the canvas first and see what happens. all the bubbles out. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's making little dots everywhere. Y'all tell me what you think. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you can get the notifications of my next video. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better than this madness. Lately, things have not been coming out the way I want them. But I'm new at it, so we shall try again. Yes. Yes, we will. And next time I will put some color, some paint on the canvas before I do the bottom part. Why do I keep saying bottom part? Well, tell me what you think. I could have just sprayed some white around the base of it. And see, I did put a little, but I could have filled it further, and it would probably kept its shape more. But it was already coming off that corner over there, that side. What you think?
No.
Yeah?
I think it's because you put like a lot of paint on it. That's why. Or like it wasn't like on the cups, right?
Maybe, because it was falling off that edge first.
Yeah.
Right. Right. Well, oh, yeah, got a whole bunch over there. Oh, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the like, thumbs up button, and hit the little bell. Subscribe, notifications. Oh, go and look at my, like me on Facebook and Instagram. The name is Reese's Sweet Things. That's ReeCeeSwings. Thanks for watching, guys.